Very good evening to all of you. We welcome you all to our M3 Spotlight event, Busy Mom. Me, myself, Mom is a mompreneurs network where work meets lifestyle. Here at M3, we share, support, and succeed. We believe in networking, the secret of success. M3 is a platform where aspirants meet mentors, ideas meet collaborations, founders meet funders, and work meets lifestyle. Tired of being busy all the time and not having the thought of sharing all the acts that you have been doing in your professional and your personal life? Then our Busy Mom event is just for you all to share and lighten yourself by sailing in the same boat with your peer members. So let me first call upon guest of the eve, that is Ms. Sangeeta Mohapatra. She is a chemical engineer and the founder of the Signature Attire. So Sangeeta ma'am, we are looking forward to hear from you. Please share us something about your professional journey and the brand that you have developed.
Thank you, Divya. Good evening, everyone. And it is like for me, one of the first spotlight events from the M3 community. And so a bit about myself. I'm Sangeeta Mohapatra. I'm basically from Rourkela, Orissa. And I was a part of the IT fraternity once upon a time. But now I am into my own company, which is the Signature Attire. So, like Divya mentioned, I'm a chemical engineer from an IT Rourkela, and with some knowledge about how to use chemicals and all that stuff. Anyways, I'm learning more about the garments. We started this particular brand, the Signature Attire, which primarily focused on developing quality and making sure that the domestic market has a quality which is by par with the export market. And this is where we wanted to launch our brands. We wanted to launch a manufacturing unit which would ensure that we develop quality at a pocket friendly price for all the brand owners and for us as well. And the journey began in 2018 after I had delivered my two children, two beautiful kids, I would say. And we have just forayed into the domestic market so well that in just 3 years' time, we have built a space for ourselves, and people, good names, they look forward to working with us, and they know that they would always get quality when they come to Signature Attire, and this is what we stand for, and we are looking to grow more and more in years to come. Thank you, Divya.
Wow, this is lovely because I can say that, this domain of yours is something new for a mom, for a woman, to enter into. And like you said, that within 3 years, it has bloomed so well. So we wish you all the luck for future as well. So
Thank you.
further, like we would like to know more about this thing. So what is one thing that excites you the most about your work?
There are days when you just don't feel like getting up for work. You feel like stealing time for your family, for your get outs, for your breaks out from work. But having your own company, doing something that you really love, you feel that all of it you can get it at the workplace, and that is what is the most exciting part of our company, where people say that they don't miss home when they are in the office. I think that's what keeps all of us going through this, even during this pandemic.
That is lovely. So, like nowadays, everybody wants that. Since we are all working from home, now we have adapted to that home culture. And the same if we get an office also, then what else do we need? So that's great. Now, also, I would like to ask that what is one thing that in your professional life, that you would like to delete and add from your personal life? I mean, any just one thing, that you want to replace.
One thing that I really want to do is that in personal life, we give n number of chances to our own people, to the people we love, and to the people we think can always do good and do better rather. So that is something I think we miss in our professional life. We judge people too quickly and too easily without giving them some good amount of chances. And they just say that, one or two chances are just more than enough for a person to prove. I don't believe so. So that is one thing definitely I want, that from my personal life, where I give people a lot of things, a lot of chances and everything, I just want to put it into my professional life as well. But definitely it comes with a cost, and that's where I would like to delete that aspect of professional life, where I think that, if I give more chances, then I might be adding on to my cost. But I think that's what I would like to put it up in the professional side.
That's lovely. That's lovely, because nowadays people, society is being so open-minded that they're actually looking forward to such kind of, work culture. And we are glad that you're already, trying to implement that. So thank you so much for that. And also, uh, what is your wheel of fortune based on? Like, if I talk about your principles, your work ethics, what would that be?
The wheel of fortune for, when I always say I kind of represent the company as such. And, since the company was founded by me, so a bit of my persona has gone into the making of the company and the ethics and the values that has been put up for the company. So the wheel of fortune is definitely the yes attitude and the do it attitude. So these are the two important things that has gone into the company, from people like all the leaders that are there in this particular organization. So these two aspects has been our driving force in building up this company so strong and very rigid enough to be sustainable during the pandemic.
Okay, great. So, like, if I talk about your product, can you just give us a more, detail about the product that you are into, like, about the company and the product mainly?
Sure. So we are basically a multi-branded company. One, definitely we have our own brands, and it has been listed in many e-commerce platforms. We have been one of the fastest growing organization, where we have also won an award of Asia's Emerging Brands in 2019. The second thing is we have been also supporting small brands. The best part of our company is that we don't believe in anything called as a minimum order quantity concept, MOQ. So we have supported very small brands with their manufacturing and providing them services, starting from procurement of fabrics till the development of their brand. So that we do, and we also do private labels for big names like Reliance Retail. Then we do it for Kido Panti, Tuniport, and lot many other clients to be mentioned over here. We have been providing our services to them, as well as we do a lot of sustainable clothing as well, which is like we are promoting handloom through converting their retail mindset into manufacturing, which is we are making them produce more fabric, and we market these fabrics and get buyers for the weavers. And the third thing that we do is the promotion of a greenhouse projects and recycle and reuse of the wastage that the garment industry creates. This has actually helped in creating a lot of products which is like highly sustainable. For example, we have made like rakhis out of fabric waste, and we have made pillows out of fabric waste. A lot of these stuffs like small bags out of fabric waste. These are the things that we do, and keeping in mind two things. One, definitely making use of the waste and not letting it get into any kind of chemical reactions to decompose it. Second, provide employment to people. So these two activity we have been conducting through our R plus R project, and we are planning to get artisans and all to beautify this project, and thereby providing some employment to them as well. So these are primarily the things that we do. the most important thing is we innovate. We practically love to work with very different kind of fabrics. So by this year end or early by next year, we are going to launch infant wear with a water resistant fabric. Being moms, we have understood the pains that we go through when the babies start vomiting out of excess feed or salivate, or things like that, which makes their neck wet most of the times. So that's when I thought that why not have a water resistant fabric wear for the infants as well. And this is what we are soon going to launch, and definitely M3 is going to be a part of the launch very soon as well.
How do you tackle with failures, and how you be the change?
It is all about a perception. It is all about trying and trying.